New question 284. So our cubic function here is still factorised. So there's two ways we can do it. We can either expand it first and then differentiate it, or we can actually just use our product rule to differentiate it. So if we use f equals x plus 1 and g equals x minus 2 squared, then f dash equals 1 and g dash equals 2 x minus 2, and then subtract 1 from the power, so that's just the power of 1, and then we're multiplying it by the derivative, which is 1. So that ends up being 2 times x minus 2. So our derivative is 1 times x minus 2 squared plus x plus 1 times 2 x minus 2. Okay, so this is our gradient function. Now if we want to find when it is 0, we're going to have to simplify it. So if we expand this, we get x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 2x squared. So we got x squared and then 2 times, so we got minus 2x plus 1x, so we got minus x, and then 2 times negative 2 times 1, so that's minus plus 2 times negative 2. Alright, so we end up with, we've got 3x squared, we've got negative 4x, negative 2x, so we've got negative 6x, and then we've got a plus 4 and a minus 4, so that goes away. So, want to know when this is equal to 0? So if we solve this using the graphics calculator, go into menu, equation, second one, polynomial, and degree 2, we've got 3x squared minus 6x, and then there's 0 for the last term. So we end up with two solutions, x equals 2 and x equals 0. Now we work out our y equals, and if we use the original y, it's going to be the easiest. So when x equals 0, y equals 1 times negative 2 squared, which is 4. And that, so 0, 4. Is our first point, and x equals 2, y equals 3 times 2 minus 2 is 0, which is 0. So our second point is 2, 0. Okay, now we go and graph it. Back to graphics calculator, menu, graph, and then our equation, menu bracket, x plus 1, bracket, bracket, x minus 2, bracket, squared. Draw it, and you can see the first one's the maximum and the second one's the minimum again. So x equals 0, this is a maximum, and x equals 2 is a minimum.